What's up everybody? I'm back with the Dusty and the Yasi Dirt. I'm not very happy with this Dusty, but I run this engine more often than my Dirt, which I love. This one is great. It's a very good engine. But the Dusty is finicky, it's very inconsistent, and it's challenging to me trying to get this engine to run good, find what's wrong with this engine. Well, in the last video that I made with this engine, it was very inconsistent, but ended up running good. I checked every single O-ring. I checked the bearings, the piston, the sleeve, the pinch, the compression. Everything is looking perfect, so I don't know what's wrong with this engine. But anyways, most of the time when you are having tuning issues and you don't know where that comes from, it may be a front bearing issue. So I replaced once again the front bearing and installed a new glow plug. And next I'm gonna try the Dirt and see the difference between these engines. Let's see how the Dusty runs today. So we have a new glow plug and new front bearing. It sounds, yeah, lean on the low. Lean on the low. It seems lean on the low. Or an air leak. And now she dies. All right, I'm gonna reaching up the low. This is why, fuck, come on. This is why I complain so much about this engine. Let's try a different glow plug. This P3 ultra hot, and I had good luck with the P4 plugs, so let's try a P4. P4 glow plug is magic. What the hell is this? It is much better with the OSP4 glow plug. Yeah, much better. So maybe she doesn't like the P3 glow plug. Okay, I'm gonna let the engine cool down. We are going to run the Ielasi Dirt. Next I will restart that one to see if she holds the tune. Yasi Dirt with the Hypex 2108. I think I never tried this engine with this pipe, and it's probably not the best pipe for this engine, because this Dirt is definitely not a bottom end power engine. Super smooth on the bottom. It's more like a mid to top end power engine. I just lost the glow plug. Oh shit. My fault. That's about 12 euros that went flying somewhere. So this is how the Yasi Dirt runs, with a different pipe and some minimal adjustments. That's what you expect from an OS engine. The Dusty is making more power. Bottom end power is, I mean, it's fine, it's very good for me. But the Dusty seems to be making more power. And that's surprising. The Dusty is a very basic engine. Oh, come on now. Oof. Warming up. Let's try the Dusty again. Sounds good so far. Sounds very good. Was it just a glow plug issue? Well, not really a glow plug issue. I mean, she doesn't like the P3. And I'm always surprised by the power of this engine. She sounds really good now. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one. Oh, what a shame.